Hello everyone and welcome. In this video I'm going to be looking at Zapier and WhatsApp. How can we use Zapier with WhatsApp? But before then, let me explain what Zapier is. You see, Zapier is a powerful web automation tool that helps connect your favorite apps and services, allowing you to automate repetitive tasks and streamline your workflow without coding. So, here's a simple breakdown of what Zapier is. Zapier helps to connect apps. It acts like a bridge between thousands of different web applications such as project management applications, CRM, marketing, cloud storage, and communication. So it helps to connect the apps. It also helps to automate tasks. You see, it uses what they call Zaps. These are automated workflows that connect two or more apps together. What's what they call trigger? A Zap starts with a trigger, and it triggers an event that happens in one app. For example, a new email arrives in Gmail. It sets off a trigger, and a Zap, which is an automated workflow, will take place. Action. Now, the trigger initiates what they call action in other apps, e.g., create a task in Asana and save the email to Google Drive. You see how it works? Now, let's look at an example of Zapier use cases. Now, for example, if you want to automatically add new contacts from Google Sheets to your MailChimp email list, Zap can be used for it. If you want to create a task in Asana whenever a new issue is created in GitHub, Zap can be used for it. Zapier can be used for it. If you want to post new blog posts from WordPress to your Twitter account, Zapier is great for it too. If you want to save attachments from your Gmail to your Dropbox account, Zapier is good for it. Also, if you want to send a welcome email to new subscribers on your website, Zapier is the best choice for it. So look at the key benefits. Because it is automated, it saves you time and effort, therefore increases productivity. Second benefit is that it helps you improve efficiency because it streamlines workflow and reduces manual data entry. It helps to enhance collaboration, which is the third benefit, because it facilitates smoother collaboration between different teams and applications. And the best part, no coding required. It is easy to use with a user-friendly interface and drag and drop functionality. In essence, Zapier is a powerful tool that empowers users to connect their favorite apps and automate workflows, making their work more efficient. But unfortunately, there is no direct or official way to use Zapier with WhatsApp for sending messages, and this is why. WhatsApp has an API limitation. You see, WhatsApp has strict policies and limitations on how its API can be used. Also, there are security concerns because you see, direct integration with WhatsApp's API for automated messaging poses significant security and privacy risks. However, there's a way to do it. It's a way we can use Zapier and AI. Zapier with WhatsApp. Let's see how. We call them workarounds. Now, you can use a WhatsApp business API provider. How? Some third-party providers offer integration with Zapier that allow you to send WhatsApp messages through their platforms. Example, Triangle. Triangle is one of such providers that integrates with Zapier and allows you to send WhatsApp messages within certain constraints. Then you can also consider alternatives. You see, explore other messaging platforms. Explore platforms like Twilio or SMS providers that have robust Zapier integration. Then you can also do what we call a manual workaround. For simpler use cases, you might be able to manually trigger actions in WhatsApp based on events and other apps that Zapier integrates with. But while we're thinking about doing all this, always keep some stuff in mind. Like one, we need to always adhere to WhatsApp terms of service and API guidelines. Two, you need to prioritize user privacy and obtain proper consent before sending automated messages. Note that this information is for general knowledge or guidance only. The specific functionality and availability of integration may change, and it is crucial to research and choose the most suitable and compliant solution for your specific needs. I hope this explanation is helpful. It's very helpful to you. Do not forget to join us in the next video when we tackle another problem. As for today, that's all. See you later.